Knock. To criticize about someone or something. Don't knock him. He's trying his best. People always knock her cooking, but I like it. Cheddar. Money or cash. I need some cheddar to buy a new phone. He made a lot of cheddar from his job. Huffy. Angry, upset, or in a bad mood. He walked away in a huffy mood. My little brother gets huffy when he loses a game. Threads. Clothes or outfit. Your threads are perfect for summer. Nice threads. You look great today. Jam. A song you really like or a favorite tune? That song is her jam. She plays it every day. We danced when our jam came on. Snatched. Someone who looks very good or really stylish. Your makeup is snatched today. That hairstyle is snatched. Screw up. To make a mistake or do something badly. I really screwed up my test. She screwed up the recipe. Lame. When something is not fun or not impressive. He made a lame joke and no one laughed. She thinks school is lame, but learning is important. Laid back. A person who is relaxed, calm, and not easily upset. He is laid back and friendly. He's very laid back and never gets angry. Binge. To eat, watch, or do too much of something at once. I binged 5 episodes last night. He binges junk food when he's sad.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!